Oh, so y'all want to know what I eat in a day, but you don't want to subscribe to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I figured I would show you guys what I eat in a day. I worked from home today, so it was like the best time for me to go ahead and do this. And y'all know your girl is trying to get fine and sexy for my trip in May. So I've been working out more, I've been eating healthier, and I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day. So what I ate today was like really low maintenance because I meal prepped. So everything was pretty much grab and go, or like do a little bit of prepping, but not a lot. And I think I have a video on that, but I haven't really posted too much more about it. So let me know if you guys want more videos about meal prepping. And yeah, if you're interested in what I ate today, just keep on watching. Starting off with the most important meal of the day, I always start my day with coffee, so I'm just making myself a cup of coffee. For breakfast, I'm gonna go with oatmeal today, so I'm taking the strawberry and cream instant oatmeal from Quaker, 2 packs of that, and I'm just adding 1 cup of almond milk, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and add some fresh blueberries. It's just gonna be so good with the strawberries. And then you just pop this bad boy in the microwave, and there you go. Breakfast is done. I love the Quaker fruit and cream oatmeals. Like, they are my fave. They're the only instant oatmeals that I eat. So definitely try them if you haven't already. This is just like a quick, easy breakfast that keeps me full. The blueberries are just like a nice pop of energy in the morning. And yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite breakfasts. For a snack, I wasn't really too hungry because I did have kind of a late breakfast, so I just cut up 2 apricots and 1 kiwi, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle some honey over it, and this is just gonna be a light, refreshing snack. For lunch, I'm taking one of my pre-made salads, which I already prepared. It's just kale mix, broccoli, white onion, and orange bell pepper. And I'm adding some chicken breast and some quinoa that I already cooked previously. Like I said, I meal prepped, and I'm also gonna add some black beans. And of course, I'm adding my balsamic dressing that is just balsamic vinegar and olive oil with some salt and pepper. And there you have it, a flavorful salad. People that don't eat salads think that salad has to be like all boring. But it's not. Like, y'all see, this salad is making me dance. That's how good it is. And I'm just gonna jump right into dinner. I am having some sweet potatoes that I made with rosemary and thyme. They were just so good. And some balsamic Brussels sprouts. Again, these are both pre-made. The perks of meal prepping are real. And I'm just gonna add a piece of lemon pepper salmon. And there you go, dinner is served. And I barely had to do anything. So yeah, that was what I ate today. I told you guys it was super low maintenance, still healthy and still delicious, but not as much effort put into it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll know to post more like it. And obviously you can stay and watch another because, like, duh, that's what you should do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.